Hey guys, it's me, and today we're gonna be making some poppets. So I already have two here made, like this one and this one. And I'm gonna show you how to make one today. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna need some cut up cardboard. This is part of a cereal box, but you know it's pretty good for this stuff. So yeah. And then we're gonna need a ruler and a pencil. So first of all, you're gonna wanna put it in the shape that you want. I'm just gonna make a normal square one, you know, like a big one. So I'm gonna just draw my line. So I'm gonna make it from 1 to 9. And I'm gonna keep doing that to all three of the other sides. Okay, so I have one square here. I'm gonna make another one because I don't want it to be too thick. You can make as many as you want. I made only 2 for this one and 1 for this one. I'm gonna do 2 for this one as well. So I'm gonna make the other one as well. Okay, so now that I have both, I'm gonna start cutting them up. That's the first one done, and now we're on the second one. Okay, so now that both squares are cut, we're gonna use something circular to cut the holes. So this one is like a water bottle cap I'm just using. So I'm gonna make 4 holes on each one. Okay, so I have the circles on the first one. I'm not going to draw them on the other one because they wouldn't look the same. So I'm going to cut this one out and then I'm going to trace it onto the other one. So I'm going to pinch it a little and cut that little part there and then poke it through and cut. And careful with scissors. Okay, there's a hole. Done. Sorry if I'm going a little slow. There's the second one done. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm just gonna cut the last one here. Okay, so all the circles are cut now, and I'm gonna trace it onto this one. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut the last ones. Okay, this one doesn't look too perfect, it just looks weird, but it's alright. This time, I'm not gonna cut it all the way. I'm just gonna cut a little tiny piece here so that it could be easier for me to cut. Okay, now it's easy for cutting. Okay, and now last one is to be completed. We're done. So now we have these two. That's what they look like right now. So we're gonna take a piece of paper. You can choose color or something, but I'm gonna do something different on mine. So I'm gonna do like just trace this out again. Here. I'm gonna trace the shape of it and the circles. Okay, there's the first one. It's a little messy, but it's all right. Okay, here's the last one part. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like right now, and I'm just gonna like fix it up, like put this part away, like, you know, the parts that I don't want in the shape. And also, these are okay if like they're a little messy because we're gonna do a bunch of other things for these holes. So I'm just gonna do whatever I want to do on the outside. I'm just gonna be making a bunch of polka dots here with the colors. And also, you don't have to color in these holes because we're gonna cut them out at the end. I'm gonna go in over again and make 2 of each because it looks a little empty. Okay, so I have 2 red, 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 green, blue, and purple. And I'm gonna do, you don't have to do the same design. If you want on the other side, you can just do something different, but I'm gonna do the same one. I already did this. I find that the orange really stands out here. It's like bright. Okay, so now we're gonna like tape it. We're gonna tape it so that we can like protect it from like ripping or anything. Okay. And this on my like paper, it's a little messed up here, but it's all right. Okay, so at this point you're done taping it, And also, don't cut the other, like, don't ruin this part of, like, the paper because you're gonna need it for the circle part. So I'm just gonna put the sides in and cut up. So I'm gonna cut this side first, like this. Put the paper away and cut these. Okay, so because this is like a little softer than the cardboard, we're gonna like pinch it a little and make a hole in the paper, in the circles, so that we can cut them out. Okay, there goes the first one. And also, you don't have to use the bottle caps for the circles. You can use anything that you want, like mainly in like a circular shape. But I used it. Some people use like glue caps, but I have a small one, or like washing tape. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the first one is done, and I remember that this one is for this one, I believe. Now we're gonna have to mix and match. This one doesn't belong to this one, I think. Yep, it belongs to this one. So we're gonna keep these two like that, and we're gonna cut the other one now. And also here, I have a bit of like paper still left, so I'm gonna just put a little tiny bit of tape on that part. I'm not gonna get that big of a piece, I'm just gonna get this little piece here. And then cut it and rip it off. Okay. I'm gonna cut this part off there because we don't need it. Okay, now I'm gonna cut in the circles. Okay. And there goes a second, almost. Okay. Now we're just gonna cut these two last holes. Okay, and the last hole now. I know the cutting part isn't that fun, but like, yeah. Also, it doesn't have to be in circles. You can make it like any shape for the holes. You can like make it in a triangle, but circles are easy. But, so this is what we have now. And I'm gonna just put these two over on top. So these two match and these two match. So we're gonna take some glue now, and we're gonna just put some glue on the cardboard part so that we can stick the paper and the cardboard together. Okay, so here's the first one. I'm just gonna press it down on it. Not that side. And also you want the circles to be like on top of each other like perfectly. Like this one. But this one isn't like gonna do it because I don't know why. This is the closest I can get it. I'm just gonna cut these out at the end. So this is what we have right now for the first one, and we're gonna cut out the paper and this here. And we're gonna tape the other and glue the other side first. Okay, now it's good. I'm just gonna press it down, and I'm gonna get a tissue to clean this tape, the glue off. Okay, that should be good for now. So right now we're gonna just wait for it to dry up, but I'm gonna cut these out, the remaining paper parts out, and then we're gonna work on the whole part, what we're gonna do about it. Okay. So I'm gonna continue cutting off the paper that's remaining on the other one, and we're gonna be good. Okay, so I have the paper sticking to my hands because I still have glue on them. So yeah, we're gonna have to deal with that one. Okay, so now that we have this, we're just gonna keep pressing it down until it's stuck for good. And for this paper, for the rest of the piece of paper that I just said to save it, we're gonna use it to make the poppet part, like this part of it. We're gonna make this. Okay, so I'm gonna just trace them out again. Or it's actually better not to trace it out, just like, you know, cut out circles, just random circles, so that you can like, because we're gonna need part of the circles to be on this. So I'm just gonna color it in whatever I want. I'm gonna just make it blue and purple. I know the purple doesn't show much, but whoops. Okay, so we're gonna need enough for for 8 holes. So we're gonna make like this one be for 4, I guess, or like this one could be for 2. So I'm gonna just make it a little bigger so that we can fit in 4 holes or something. I'm sure this one can fit like 8 holes or 6. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put it over. So this one makes 1, 2. So it makes a 4, and then, yeah. But now we're gonna need the extra part like this. So I'm just gonna cut like mini holes. So I'm gonna just make a small circle here and cut out a little bigger than that. So I'm gonna take it and make it this big. And I do that with the same, but I'm just gonna like cut it off with this one. It's okay if it's a little messy because we're gonna like need that extra part. I want at least like 8 holes for this. Try to make as many holes as you possibly can from each one. So like here, like it might turn out to be 10, but it's alright because like maybe one of them will get ruined while you're doing the other part that we needed to read. Okay, so right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. I need 2 more. I don't think this will be 2 more. I think it will be like 1 more or something. And then we're gonna have to like color up this mark. Or I'm just gonna color it right now because the hole isn't gonna be completed really here. So I'm just gonna color here. Not really good. I need the purple. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm just gonna cut 2 more circles out. Okay, and the last one, and we're gonna have to tape each one. Okay, now that I have 8 holes, I can throw the paper away. I'm just gonna move it to the side for now. And we're gonna take the tape and just tape each side like we did here so that it doesn't rip while you're popping the parts. Okay. I need the scissors now, and then we're gonna because here it didn't get completely covered, so I'm just gonna cover it up. Okay. And I'm just gonna remove the part that came here because we don't need it this area. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the tape off. I'm just going around. I'm not cutting the tape off completely because we're gonna also need it. Okay, there's the first one done. I'm just gonna cut out a bunch of tape pieces so that I can complete it quicker. Okay, so I got 4 pieces of tape here, so I'm just gonna take them all up really quick. And I'm gonna cut them at the end. Just gonna need to make 3 more because I didn't complete them completely. So I'm just putting all of them on this side of the table. And also, you don't have to cover the other side. I just kept it blank because it would look cool. From blank to different colors. Okay. So now that I have them all taped up, I am going to cut those pieces off. Just like I did to this one. Okay. Okay, I'm almost done here. And also, if you want, you can like go back to the beginning of the video to watch it again if you want to do it. So like, I'm not doing like a step-by-step here. I'm just doing it. Okay. And then the last one, I'm gonna do it. And then you're gonna have to like cut holes. Like not holes, just like a line in the middle of each one like this. But I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna just clean this all up here. Okay, so you're gonna cut like a mini hole here, just like a snip on each one. And if you have any questions, just wait till the end of the video to see, or like the next part to see what I'm gonna do with this. So the next part, you're gonna need some like more tape, just small pieces so that you can fit the holes. So you're gonna need like 16 pieces because each one is gonna need 2. So, you know. It doesn't need to be that big. I'm just gonna make it like this big. And then I'm gonna just take it and do this and tape it. And then the other part, I'm gonna use this. Okay, because there's gonna be some extra. So I'm just gonna tape this here and cut the extras here. So that's what it's gonna look like when you tape it together. And I'm gonna do it to the rest. Okay. It looks a little like messy or something, but it's all right because it is homemade. But you also want this colored part to be the side that's you're taping first. You don't want it to be the blank side. At first, I think it's better if you like cut up your pieces first before you tape it because it wouldn't take that long. And also, like, some of them might have this at the bottom, like when you're overlapping them. It's like, it's okay if you cut it off because you don't really need that part. I'm gonna cut more tape. Okay. So this is like what it's gonna basically look like at the end once you like tape it. But you're also gonna need to squish that part. So like don't put that many layers of tape on it because then it won't be like easy to get it to the other side. Okay, and here's the last one. And some of them might be big like this one, but it's all right. Now I'm just gonna cut this part. Okay, so now I assume that these will be like dried up or something, and like they're not gonna be moving around. So you're just gonna need a bit more tape. And you're gonna need to like cut it up into small little pieces, like half it, and then cut it like this into mini squares. So like what we want to do next is like put it like this. So you want to make like the part, like the pointy part is in the middle, and you just want to tape that. So it's okay if it's like this. The table's really messy right now beside me because of all the tape. Okay, so now it's good enough to like push it back through like that. So we're just gonna like keep pressing down on this so that you can like be able to push it back and forth, like this one. And this one's a little messy because of the tape and paper, but it's all right. So I'm gonna keep doing that to the rest of them, and this is how it's gonna look like from the front. I'm gonna need a lot of tape for this. Also, you could just put the tape on the sides before you tape it down, so that like you can make it easier or something like that. I'm gonna do it this method, like the taping one, like where you put the tape first and then you push it through. Oh, and the tape that that's remaining from here, you could just overlap it to that side. Okay, so this one still needs tape, so I'm just gonna add a bit more tape to it. Okay, so now this one is also ready to push down, like this one. But this one's tape is a little off, so I'm just gonna have to like fix it. And also at the end, when all 4 holes are done, you're gonna need to put these together and like be able to push it, and it should be good then. Okay, so first right now I'm gonna keep putting the holes back in. And also you don't need 8 holes. I miscounted. You only need 4. Okay, I'm almost done here. And also you can take this like with you to school and like play around with it when like you're learning or something. I'm making these special like for like school because I'm going to middle school next year, and it's gonna be like I'm gonna get really bored of school right away. So I'm just like, you know, making something for me to be occupied with. And also, like, I mean, the teacher can't say no to this because, like, they basically have some students focus. Also because, for me, my hands have to be occupied or something has to be occupied or I won't be able to focus. It's gonna look a little messy on the back here. That's alright. Okay, you're done here, and then we can just push it back and forth, but this one's a little hard for some reason. So I'm gonna have to like stretch it out, and we need to put some more tape. Okay, so that should be good like that. I know it sounds a little weird, but it's alright. Okay, and now last step is to take this and put it on top of it. And then just tape it. But you also need it to like be perfectly okay. So I put it through, so you could do that. So I'm not gonna glue it, I'm just gonna tape it so that it can just stick together for real. And not open up when I leave it alone to dry it. I'm just gonna cut the piece of tape in the middle so that it's not too big and then it goes over the area where you're supposed to pop it. Because then that would be annoying. Okay, so I have it like this. On one side, the tape is put. And then I'm just gonna press it down so that it sticks. And then I take the other side and do this and tape it on. I'm gonna keep doing that to the rest of the sides. And then I am going to end the video there because it's like almost finished. So it's a little messy, but it's alright. You can already like start playing with it, but it's gonna just like keep annoying you. So I'm just gonna continue taping it. And the extra parts, I'm just gonna cut them off like I'm doing here. And then just tape it again. And also, I was using a Shreddies box. So, but it's like, it's better to use like a cereal box than normal cardboard because it's easier to use. And the extra tape, I'm just gonna put it here because I cut this part off a little. Okay, and we're done. So this is what you're gonna have at the end. It's really messy, but again, it's alright. You can also flip to the other side, but this side is like blank. There's nothing really to look at, just the background of this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, just smash that like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.